do the unboxing here. Welcome everyone. We got the Rise of the Unison Warriors 2nd edition booster box here. And we also got the Mythic booster. I got a deal. Not only were these kind of a deal before Black Friday, but they offered me a deal. So it was a deal before Black Friday, and then I got the Black Friday extra deal. So I got 2 booster boxes for the low. Fucking plastic part's gonna be the worst part. Oh yeah, get that plastic here done. Okay. I think I'm gonna start with this one since this seems smaller slightly. God damn, where's my knife? Fucking, what is this plastic made of? Fucking. What is this plastic made of? Plastic or something? Fucking stretchy ass plastic? Jesus Christ. Funnest part of the unboxing is dealing with the fucking hellish manufacturing bullshit they wrap around it. Anyways, this one looks like it's gonna be the better pack, so I don't know. We're gonna save that one. Let's do this one first. Yeah, we got the packs, baby. Packs on packs. So let's do it. Without further ado, what we got? Brawly. Just trying to get you all a good view. Do it like this so you guys see it as I see it. Brawly. Final Spirit King. What does that say? It's hard to read it, it's backwards in this camera. Oh, I got After Image Technique, Ginyu, the Reliable Captain, Sun Goten, Awakening Beast, Time Magic. Ooh. Dirty Burst. Love the artwork on DBZ cards. I'm gonna try and figure out so I can show both cameras. And then the other one, Final Spirit Cannon. So I'm gonna separate the hollows like I normally do. Okay, I'm gonna set these at the. Looks cool. This Kefla card. Surge of Ferocity. Leaves. Trunks. sexy. What the fuck? What else we got? What's behind that? Frado. You know, a little bit of motherfucking action. Ooh. Shocking death ball. Okay. So this might be a long video since I'm doing 2 booster boxes and I'm being kind of slow. I'll try and do like this. Okay, here we go. Damn. That's a nice looking Piccolo card right there. I like that. Nice. Super Kamehameha. Bardock, fully unleashed. Nice. Son Goku, Nimbus Master. Hell yeah. After Image Technique, Hollow. Nice. I love Dragon Ball Z cards. Love them. Great artwork. Great artwork. That's cool. So, let's do it like Kiss. Zarbon. Ooh. Super Saiyan Rose, Goku Black, Divine Prosperity. Saiyan Technique, Great Ape Vegeta. Super Saiyan Gogeta, Acrobatic Warrior. Nice one. Ooh. Nice. Love the colors. Vegito. Super Warrior Reborn. Wow. I like this one. Nice. It almost looks like a Valentine's Day card. Really nice. And of course, can't go wrong with the Dragon Ball. That is beautiful. These holographics always turn out so nice. So nice. Chilai, the beautiful. Ooh, that's packing some heat right there. Bardock, fully unleashed. Hitters. I don't know if they are or not, but I feel like it. Feels like a strong hit. Ooh. Son Goku Instinct Surpass. If I get a holo of this, I will be so happy. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Miracle Strike, Gogeta. Sick looking card. Power Burst. Super Saiyan 3, Son Goku, the last straw. Ooh. Vegeta striving to be the best. And is that Giru? No, it's Koitsukai. Koitsukai. Mechanical Courage. Okay. I'd be so happy if that was a shiny Giru card. I love Giru. Rosé, Dimension Magic, Android, Super Android, whatever, female Android, whoa, Super Saiyan 4 Bardock, Fighting Against Fate. Super Kamehameha. A lot of packs to go, everybody. So strap in. We got all those packs and this whole box. So this is going to be like at least a 30-minute video, but welcome to my channel. I love a Brawly card. Brawly, Surge of Brutality. I feel like this is blurry. Is this fucking blurry? How do I get this to not be blurry? Whatever, man. We gotta go. We can't worry about all that right now. Woo! Ultimate Form, Son Goku. I need this, but shiny. Another Brawly. Android. Trunks. This one's called Giant Ball. Interesting. And then Super Saiyan Rosé, Goku Black, Divine Prosperity. Oh yeah, that's where it's at. That is where it's at. That was nice. Nice. Okay. Starts with the Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. Kefla. Super Saiyan 4 Son Goku Beyond All Limits. Shine is what it's all about for me. That's what it's about. Ooh. Cooler Tyrannical Assault. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get her done. Get her in the cooler. Let's see, guys, what kind of magic we're gonna pull. We're getting some good ones already, and I'm excited for what's to come. Android, Piccolo, Vegeta, Bardock, Dragon Ball, Super Saiyan 2 Trunks, Heroic Prospect. Goku. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah. Frieza, Kefla, Masked Sand, brainwashed, no more. Super Saiyan 4 Bardock fighting against fate. So we got a lot of good Bardock cards this time. What we got? Are we pulling fire? Are we pulling fire? Brawly, astonishing potential. Little boy Brawly. Little boy Brawly. And Piccolo, my boy. Ooh, we got the shiny Piccolo. Ooh. That's a nice looking Piccolo. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Rest in peace, Bernie Mac. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. What we gonna pull? We hit him with the... Oh, Lord. Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Son Goku Concentrated Destruction. Ooh. Got that red and blue like it's 3D. Ooh. That Dark Temptation Towa. Okay. What's next on that motherfucking menu? Check it out real quick. Chilai the Beautiful, we got that one already. Masked Saiyan Brainwash No More. We got one that said Masked Saiyan Brainwash No More, but it was a different artwork. So we got 2 artworks for this one. Fuse Zamasu, Deity's Wrath. Zamasu. Don't be fucking with Zamasu, guys. Android 17. Yeah, Impending Crisis. Nice. I wish it would focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. Maybe I have to adjust my settings. Seems like we got like 6 packs left in this one. Something like that. Dinosaurs, guys. Fired up. Vegeta. Brawly. I want a hollow Brawly so bad. I love hollow Brawlies. Here's a hollow Brawly. But this is the child version we just got, so I want a different one. So give me a Broly. Gah! Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku, the last straw. Why do all these things keep saying the last straw? How many straws you guys got out there? Fucking Namek. How many straws you guys got? Huh? How many straws you guys got? We blasting through these packs now. Let's see what fire we got to look forward to. Vegeta again. We got this one already. Another Dragon Ball card, so it's not as rare as I thought. You usually find out if something's rare if you don't get a double of it. So it's usually a good basic indicator. If you don't get a double, it might be rare. Could be. We got this one already. Super Saiyan 4 Son Goku. Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. This for shiny. Mass Saiyan. Ginyu Force. Always with the killer poses. Broly. Zamasu. Broly. Super Saiyan Rose, Broly. We need one of these shiny too. Same for Bardock. Super Saiyan Gogeta, Acrobatic Warrior with the Fat Kamehameha. Second to last pack. Android. Another Ultimate Form. Ultra Instinct. Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. Peak of Primitive Power. It's got the monkey on the card, the great ape. That's fucking sick. Well, that's definitely one I didn't have. That's a sick one. Son Goku Ninja Master, we got that one. Okay, so I was wrong. Now this is the second to last pack. Okay. Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta thwarting the Dark Empire. Ooh, that one's nice. Okay. Oh yeah. Kefla, Surge of Ferocity. There you go. That's fucking sick. Sick, man. What's up, Brian? We're doing the unboxing. Thank you for the favorite. Okay. Kefla. Ginyu. Massian. This one says Mafuba. Mafuba. Okay, Mafuba. Whatever Mafuba means. I forgot. It's referenced in the show. I forget. So, anyways, that was that box. On to the next box. So that we're just under 30 minutes for that box. So try and be quicker on this one. Honestly. Right off the bat, we got the Sin Shenron Unison of Calamity card. So I think I might leave this in the package. I don't know, in the promo package. I might leave it in there. Show you guys too. Anyways, let's try and get through these because there's more cards in these packs. Like a few more cards. So. Raccoon. Counterblast Son Gohan. Frieza. I'm not gonna read every card. Continue the Body Snatcher. VJX. Ooh, Krillin. Shiny Krillin. Okay. So it looks like these packs are only gonna have one holo in them. So okay. Our one holo in this pack was Krillin then. So you get more cards per pack, but one less holo. is the payoff there, or this trade-off. Try to get it to focus right. Super Saiyan 2 Trunks. That was a nice one. With the sword. Son Goku. Frieza. Negative energy thing. Ginyu. Trunks. Our holo is Shu, Dragon Ball Chaser. Okay. I think this one was behind it. The Jinx. Okay. Ooh. Got Yamcha, Supersonic Striker. That's kind of a cool card. Got the wolf on it. Yamcha on the other side. Super Saiyan Gotenks, Display of Mastery. Pilaf's Castle. I should have had my glasses on, then I could read it easier. Vegeta. Ooh, okay. Bulma. Shiny Bulma. And then another Yamcha card. Zeno. Got that shiny 2-star ball. Trunks, Flash of Brilliance. Demigra, the Sinister Sorcerer. Is that our holo? Trunks, Flash of Brilliance. That's our holo. Oh shit. We got lucky. We got 2 holos in this pack, so we're not, they don't, I guess you have the chance of getting 2 holos in this pack. That's cool. Nice. So we got 2 holos, hell yeah. Alright, let me try and breeze through these ones. Keep this video as short as possible for you guys. Try to at least. Working out the technical difficulties as I go. With the not focusing and everything. If you guys are familiar with Dragon Ball at all, you'll know these characters. If you're not, then you're probably not watching this video. Burning Kamehamehas are shiny. Oh shit. shit. This is it right here. Great Ape Masked Sand. Wow. This is one's gotta be rare. This one's sick looking. It's a Great Ape. Oh my god. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh my god. That one's special. That one's special right there. That one's going. I'm gonna frame that one. That one's extra cool to me. Extra cool. Let's see what we got. Super Saiyan Broly, legendary. Nice. Puar. That's kind of disgusting. Little innocent child version of Chi-Chi for some reason. We don't need all that, guys. Ooh, Jace. Jace is a funny ass motherfucker. These are good. Negative energy, 2-star ball. Vegeta, demonstration of might. Ooh, Gotenks, the power of fusion. Frieza, dark infestation, not hollow. Not hollow. Get out of here. You're not hollow, get the out. Just kidding. Hollows are more important to me, but all these cards, serve their own purpose. In the trash bin. Just kidding. Jesus, take a joke, guys. Goldo. He's fat as hell. There we go. Ginyu, the body snatcher. Anything behind it? Haze Shenron, Venomous Mist. Seems like a good card, but not hollow. Get it in the trash, man. Psych. There's not actually a trash can over there, guys. Come on. You know me better than that by now. What, you've been here 38 minutes. You thought you know my whole life story, you think? You think that? You thought that? Time bullet. Trying to get this as focused as possible. Demigra, sorcerer of unison of sorcerer. Frieza, the power monger. Ginyu. Trunks, elite descendant. Love that card. Got the sword and everything. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then Pilaf, missile. That's the last card, right? Okay, yeah. Right. Got it. Alright, resuming now. Pilaf, Dragon Ball Chaser. Son Goku and Hit, Supreme Alliance. That's pretty sick right there. If this was hollow, I'd be so happy, but it's not. It's a sick ass card though. It's a dual card, double action card. Mira, Faithful Servant. Ox King, nice. Pilaf, Shu, and Maya assemble. That's cool. Pilaf Machine, the Master Bot. That's cool. So that's Emperor Pilaf's little team. That's fucking cool. It's probably weak as hell, since they're weak as hell. Super Saiyan Goku, Prince of Saiyans. Blue Vegeta. Gravy, the Dark Sorcerer. Ox King. Frieza. Sarma. Ooh, and then a hollow version of it right behind it. Okay. And then Paige Shinraga. Sin Shenron Negative Energy Overflow, the gun's pretty cool. Get to the hollows, everybody. Everyone's like, get to the hollow. Giru's one of my favorite characters though. Love me Giru. Another Sin Shenron. So we got 2 in one pack, and one was hollow and one was not. Is that the one we already got? Oh, okay. So now we have 2. We have Sin Shenron, this one, and this one. Show you guys. We got what we came for, I'm thinking. Fused Zamasu. That's pretty sick. Probably won't do this camera angle next time, I don't know. I might have to watch this video after and decide if it was too blurry or not, or if it's just my eyes right now, I can't tell. Feels like it's a little blurry, like, that's blurry as hell, right? You cannot see the details like you're supposed to be able to see. So I'm gonna have to use the other camera, like the other side. But try my best on this side. Okay. Mirror, explosion of energy. Nice colors. Vegeta, the Impregnable. And the last card. Frieza, charismatic villain. Zeno, Bulma. She got a submachine gun. Young Chi-Chi again. That's not creepy. Super Saiyan Gotenks, display of mastery. Ooh. Goku Black, Rosé, Lofty Aspirations. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful purple Super Rosé. And then Dark Dragon, Slaying Bullet. This card's like white. I don't know. Seems like a cool power bag. On to the next. Son Goku, Power of Legend. Blue Impulse, same. I got that Blue Impulse all the time. Ooh, Frieza, charismatic villain. Different artwork there. And okay. Supreme Kai of Time, Unison of History. Nice. Pan. Whew. Sin Shenron, Destruction Incarnate. So that's our like third Sin Shenron card. Yo. Hell yeah. Alright. So seeing 2 trunks for a brighter future. Son Goku, Piccolo, Kai, Trunks, Fat Pink Bastard. That's what I call him, Fat Pink Bastard. Vegeta, Prideful Transformation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great, great artwork. Sorry about the gorgeous. Vegeta Elite Unison. Zamasu, Fuse Zamasu. Son Goku. Vegeta. Ooh, nice. Mira, Faithful Servant. Hollow. That's a good one. Vegeta and Bulma joined by fate. Aww. It's a family affair. Lost Castle. Trunks, the Eager. Cool card. Son Goku. Not that many more packs left. I think we're gonna finish before an hour. So try to make it less than 30 minutes per box. But I guess I take my time, I don't know. Or it just takes that long to open these. Page Shenron. This would be cool hollow. Pan. Blue Impulse. Let down. Excuse me. This one's cool. Final Hope Slash. Nice. Okay. Okay. It's spectacular. Frieza, some Machine Gun Bulma. Blue Impulse. Vegito, Infinite Radiance. Krillin. Looks like three or four more packs left, so it's a rush now. We're in a rush. Shenron. Maybe I should just have, no, I like to do the actual unboxing, the full unboxing. Zamasu, Cosmic Trader. Zamasu. Ooh. Mekikabura, the Broken Seal. That's cool. Yeah, I was thinking maybe I'll do a highlight reel instead of an actual unboxing, but you know, that's no fun. The actual unboxings where it's, even if it takes a long time, unfortunately. It doesn't take a long time, but kinda does. Most people don't do actual whole booster boxes unboxing, as far as I know. I don't know. I don't watch that many videos. Vegeta, the Lone Prince. Son Goku, Absolute Annihilation. Okay, last pack, and then I'll let y'all go. Wouldn't it be cool if this was the best pack? Or would it be hilarious if it was the worst pack? I think it'll be about the same as all the rest. Yamcha. Ginyu, the new leader. Zamasu. Piccolo. Counter Blast Son Gohan. So that one's kind of mid for sure. And Burning Impact. Okay. Well, these are the main pulls of the video, I suppose. We got the Sin Shenron. What's up? The other Sin Shenron. The promo card Sin Shenron, which is really nice. And the pull of the entire thing, the Great Ape Masked saying Primal Carnage. This one is definitely the coolest card to me. Alright. Thank you, Mermaid. Sorry. Alright, I'll let y'all go. Bye bye.